Am I the only one who didn't know you could lounge this luxuriously without breaking the bank? Grab your sunscreen because we're about to dive into summer luxury. Meet the Sloosh XL Tanning Pool Lounger. This isn't just any pool float. I'm talking about 85 by 57 inches of pure relaxation paradise, perfect for drifting your day away under the sunny sky. Crafted in a stunning XL blue, it's like floating on your own personal cloud, but way cooler and, in water. The Sloosh XL is so easy to set up. Just inflate and you're good to go. Whether you're poolside, beachside, or even lakeside, it's your best bet for premium chill vibes all summer long. And oh boy, the comfort. Imagine lounging so effortlessly, it feels like the lounger was made just for you. That's the Sloosh XL. It's all about making your summer relaxation as plush and perfect as possible. So, are you ready to up your summer game with the coolest, comfiest giant on the block? Dive into the Sloosh XL experience. It's time to float your worries away.